First play touchdown. Mr. Jace fight for himself. Heisman candidate doing his thing.
Let's go. Let's go.
NASCAR, stop all this dancing. On the ball.
6-0. Grandparent Hurricane bust first.
On the ball.
Big Cash on the play. There you go. Oh, reverse. He said he was gonna score. He said he want to be talked about on the podcast. He said he was gonna score, and that kid do it. What's your name? What's your name?
Nehemiah.
Who?
Nehemiah.
Nehemiah. Nehemiah for the touchdown.
Yes, sir. Let's go. On the ball.
I said he had the possibility chance. Hey, man. They shoot back. Oh, there go Messiah. Can he go all the way? Caught by Jace Pfeiffer. 1st and 10, Dallas Cardinals. But yeah, I'm going to call you back when I finish this game.
All right.
All right.
Where is he going?
Yeah, number 1 and number 2.
Go, go, go.
They fast, bro.
Go, 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 go. Number 2, somebody free. Go, go, go.
There you go. He quarterback. Keep it himself. Touchdown. Jace Pfeiffer himself. Outrun everybody. Look at him. Touchdown. He's a certified dog. Mr. Jace Pfeiffer himself. I told you, every time he touch it, it's a house call. Number 10. Jace Pfeiffer, man.
Let's go. Get the ball back. Hey, good block. Good block outside. Jay, let's go to find it.
Like that.
On the ball. Come on, run, Jason, run.
Galaxy, slide out! Slide out, Galaxy! Here he comes, Nine. Take it up,
Interception by Nas, number 22. Turn that one down.
Go. Get out there. Go. Run. Go. We got him. We got him.
Roll it, time out. Get out there. Hey, what's the flag, right?
Them, I let the clock run out. They get the ball back. Yep. And if they stop right here and get the ball, then score again. Damn, I missed it. Touchdown. Number 10, touchdown. There you go. Make a miss, touchdown. I told you, he patient with it. Stepped out of bounds. Touchdown. Oh.
Oh, that's a pick.
Oh. Go Jace Pfeiffer. Can he get to the outside? Messiah. Oh, he make a miss. Oh, he's still running. Hey, that's dog mentality. He wins the Heisman candidate. Jace Pfeiffer. He is him. He is him. Mr. Jace Pfeiffer.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That's the game of the week.
KD's gonna make sure his son get the stage that he needs. Boy, I told him. Give him that ticket.
You want that gold ticket, man?
That was 15 minutes ago when we gave that man that ticket.